What do we do when we need to organize complex columnar information? Yes, we use tables to manage this information. Tables help us to manage information in various kinds of documents, such as forms, scripts, and reports. Tables are made up of rows and columns. Rows are the horizontal lines, columns are the vertical lines, and the intersection makes a cell that can contain data or information. Let's see how to create or draw a table in MS Word. To create a table, place the cursor at the insertion point where you want to create the table. Click on the Insert menu on the ribbon. Select the Insert Table option from the Table drop-down menu. The Insert Table dialog box appears. Select or write the desired number of columns and rows in the table. Click OK to create the table and close the Insert Table dialog box. Alternatively, click on the Table drop-down menu in the toolbar and drag the mouse over the palette to create a table with the highlighted number of rows and columns. Once you have created a table, you can change cell as well as the rows and column width and height. To change width and height of the cell, rows and columns, place the cursor on the cell, row or column and right-click. A pop-up menu appears. Click on the Table Properties option. The Table Properties dialog box appears. The Table tab provides various options to set the table size and align table to the text. Clicking on the Borders and Shading button displays Borders and Shading dialog box that helps you set borders to the table and page. The Shading tab on the Borders and Shading dialog box allows you to fill color to the table. The Row tab of the Table Properties dialog box allows you to set row height of the selected row. The Column tab of the Table Properties dialog box allows you to set column width of the selected column. The Cell tab helps you set the cell width of the table. You can also delete or insert rows and columns in a table as per your requirement. To insert rows and columns, place the cursor in the row or column where you want to insert new row or column. Right-click to invoke the shortcut menu. Point the mouse to Insert option. Select one of the options to insert rows, columns and cells from the list displayed. To delete cells, rows and columns, place the cursor in the row or column to be deleted. Right-click and select Delete Cells to display Delete Cells dialog box. Select one of the given options as required to delete the cell, row or column. So, we have seen how we can create and use table to arrange information in a better and effective way.